Okay. This is question number 9. Firm faces the demand function P equals A. Its cost function is total cost equals C plus DQ plus EQ squared plus F Q cubed. Explain the type of firm described above. P equals A. Since the demand function is constant and it's a horizontal line, it is therefore a perfectly competitive company. So A, perfect competition. And again, we could tell this because the demand curve is a straight line. Explain the time frame within the firm is operating. So 2 says the firm will operate till it's P equal AC. As long as P equals AC, the firm operates, but if P is less than AC, the firm will stop operating. So firm operates when price equals average cost and stops operating as soon as price falls below average cost. And find the output at which the firm will maximize its profits. And like we said in a question not too long ago, excuse me, as you said in a question not too long ago, maximizing profits is when marginal revenue equals marginal cost. Total revenue function in this case would just be P multiplied by Q. In this case, it's A multiplied by Q because P equals A. And the marginal cost would just be the derivative of the cost function. So C goes away. It becomes Q plus, I'm sorry, no it doesn't. It becomes D plus 2EQ plus 3FQ squared. And the firm will maximize its profits when AQ equals D plus 2EQ plus 3FQ squared. And we need to find the output in which this happens. It's broken down in here, becomes A Tutor breaks this down to A minus D equals Q multiplied by 3FQ minus 2E. Do I agree with that? I don't think so. Why would I not agree with that? So let's bring all the Q's to one side. So we have it's a little confusing. We'll say 3FQ squared plus 2EQ minus AQ equals minus D. And then divide everything by a negative. D equals minus 3FQ squared plus 2, oh no, it's not a plus, everything's being divided by a negative, so this is going to be negative 2EQ plus AQ, and we could just erase this over here. And we're going to continue at the top over here. Now we need to just factor out Q. So that would be D equals Q brackets 3FQ minus 2E, still a negative here, still a negative there, so negative 3FQ minus 2E plus A, and Q would equals D over minus 3FQ minus 2E plus A. And this would be our profit maximizing output. This equation, this quantity right here. And don't agree with this here, so we'll say